Canon makes cameras to suit every budget, every style of photography, and every kind of user. Also, it's well known for its DSLR cameras, which include entry-level cameras for beginners right up to high-spec, high-resolution cameras for professional photographers. They also embrace mirrorless camera revolution. Moreover, Canon's DSLR and mirrorless cameras take interchangeable lenses, and that gives you a lot of photo-taking flexibility, but it's not what everyone needs. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Canon PowerShot G9X Mark II combines an ultra-slim design with high-performing features for incredible image quality and easy portability. It offers a powerful 1.0-inch 20.1 megapixel 1 CMOS sensor into a pocket-friendly size. It's powered by the Digix 7 image processor for fast operation, and it features built-in Bluetooth 2 connectivity for easy sharing. Also, it has integrated NFC technology, by which you can connect directly to compatible devices by touching the NFC icon on the camera to the device. Besides, the 3.0-inch touch panel is designed for easy operability, so you can make adjustments while still being ready to snap a photo. Moreover, it features an f/2.4.9 maximum aperture, along with intelligent IS and dual sensing IS image stabilization technologies, to benefit handheld shooting in challenging lighting conditions. The Canon PowerShot SX740 features an impressive 40 times optical zoom, with an optical image stabilizer for sharp, steady results. It offers 20.3 megapixel CMOS sensor, which provides a wide ISO range for low light shooting. Also, it has 40 times optical zoom and a further 40 times digital zoom that lets you shoot far away subjects. You can capture incredibly detailed and vibrant video and time lapses at 30 frames per second in cinematic 4K quality. Besides, it comes with a built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which pairs the camera to your mobile device for quick editing and sharing. Moreover, it features a capacity of 16 gigabytes, is compatible with the UHS-I bus, and delivers maximum read speeds of up to 90 megabytes a second and maximum write speeds of up to 40 megabytes a second. It can operate in temperatures ranging from -13 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can work in almost any climate. The Canon EOS 80D features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Digix 6 image processor, and this sleek DSLR is capable of capturing high-resolution images at up to 7 frames per second and Full HD 1080p 60 video, both with reduced noise and high sensitivity up to an expanded ISO 25600 for working in challenging lighting conditions. Also, the dual-pixel CMOS AF system benefits live view shooting and movie recording by providing a smooth, natural focusing quality akin to the way a camcorder acquires focus. Besides, the touch-to-focus feature is availed by the large 3.0-inch 1.04 m.2 touchscreen LCD, which also sports a swiveling, vari-angle design for working from high and low angles with ease. The Canon EOS R mirrorless features a high-resolution 30.3 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, along with a Digix 8 image processor. It offers a wide sensitivity range up to a native ISO 40000, fast continuous shooting to 8 frames per second, and UHD 4K 30 video recording. Besides, the sensor also facilitates an advanced dual-pixel CMOS AF system, which uses 5655 selectable points for quickly and accurately acquiring focus. Also, the focusing operation is also sensitive down to EV-6 for working in impressively dark conditions. Moreover, the AF system is also perfectly matched to the UHD 4K video recording capabilities, and has a high-resolution 3.69 m.OLED electronic viewfinder for clear and bright eye-level viewing. In at first place among the list of best Canon cameras, we have the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. It offers a newly developed 30.4 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, paired with the Digix 6 Plus image processor to balance fine detail and resolution with low light performance and sensitivity. It can work within a native range of ISO 100 to 32,000, which can then be expanded to an impressive ISO 50 to 102,400 for sharp, low-noise images in a variety of conditions. Also, it can handle up to 7 frames per second during continuous shooting. Besides, the sensor also has face detection as well as flicker detection, which can ensure proper exposure in less than ideal lighting situations. Thanks for watching.